for cooperating with us and helping us. Our objective, our duty is to protect the land of the tribal people and Kilonjia, Okhomia, and Adivasi people, and to protect the people, the tribes, the hill tribes and other tribes, and Kilonjia, indigenous, Assamese, and Adivasi people. These are our main objective, our aim. For 7 months or more, we have been using the symbol of torch, battery torch. We have fought election 3 times with this symbol. But cleverly, the RSS, BJP, and Bongo Senas, they brought out one person, John Bernard Sangma, who is not a resident of this place. Originally, perhaps he was born here, but he stays in Delhi or somewhere else. He was brought here and he was given the ticket from GSP, Gono Suraksha Party. But the party itself is almost defunct because the president also is not a scheduled tribe now. The Supreme Court has already declared he cannot contest reserve seat for ST. He cannot contest, and he has lost also MP also. He almost lost. From High Court, his name has been cancelled from MPship also. So now they have brought this John Bernard Sangma, and he does not know anything. He does not know that he has been used. He has been used as a weapon, a tool. He has been used as a tool by RSS, Bongo Sena, and BJP to defeat the movement of the hill tribes and the movement of the Kilonjia Assamese and the movement of the Adivasi people to protect our land and our race. He does not know anything. He has become a tool of our anti-tribal people. And he has been given this torch. And APHLC has been given this Caesar, this Napik. The meaning is that it is given by, this is given by Election Commission of India. It is not a matter of joke. It has been given to the APHLC. APHLC has been using torch to enlighten the people. Torch is light. It is to enlighten the people. Now we have enlightened the hill tribes people, Assamese, Kilonjia, Adivasi people. Our work of enlightenment is almost complete. Now, therefore, the torch battery has ended. There is no battery now. And the torch has this, it has eaten up by rust. It is rusted. So, the Election Commission also given us this Kesi, Napik, Caesar, because our work is to cut the names of the non-tribal people, illegal non-tribal people who infiltrated from Bangladesh, Bengal, Bihar, and other places. So, torch, we cannot cut the names of these people with torch. We can cut with scissors. So, we have been given this scissor to cut the names of, to cut and cancel the names of the non-tribal illegal infiltrators to our autonomous districts of West Karbi Anglong, and Dimha South, and to save the tribal people, the Adivasi and the indigenous Assamese people. Thank you.